Okay, first of all, you tell me which function are used to write in CSV file and which function is used to read from the CSV file.
Right row and right row.
Right row and right rows. Okay, reading के लिए for reading
Reader.
reader or dict reader. Two functions, right? Simple reader and dict reader. And then which module we are importing at the top?
CSV.
CSV. Full form of CSV.
Comma separated values.
Okay. Let's start then. So reading, writing already you know. We will see what type of question are coming from CSV. Yes, see. This 23rd question. Hope so it is visible to everyone. See, Ashok Kumar of class 12 is writing a program to create a CSV file. Name of the CSV file is empdata.csv with employee ID, name, mobile number, and search employee ID and display the record. File is the CSV file. In that file, how we are storing data? Employee ID, name, and then mobile number. And search employee ID and display the record. Means on the basis of the employee ID, we will search the record. For example, if I am asking, display the record of that employee who is having employee ID 101. ठीक है? He has written the following code. As a programmer, help him to successfully execute the given task. Now, you just see how many marks this question. 4 marks, right? Question is of 4 marks. They have given some fill in the blanks that you are supposed to fill. Sometime whole question you will have to write, but sometime what they will give, whole question they will give, you just need to fill the blanks. So now line 1. Line 1, what it is asking, name the module he should import in line 1. In line 1, fill in the blank is given. What will come in this fill in the blanks?
CSV.
CSV, right? Then fields, it is equal to employee ID, name, mobile number, means this is the title. Then rows you have taken means all the records, list of a list, right? File name is equal to this one which is given in the question itself. Then with open file name w new line is equal to blank as f. Okay, now what is the meaning of it? Either you can open your file f is equal to open file name mode like we were doing, or second way to open the file is this also, with open file name you have given, which mode you are opening, w means write mode, new line is equal to blank as f. This is another way to open the file. We will see how we have opened the file. Just see here how we were opening the file. F is equal to open demo.csvrt. I can open my file like this also, with open. Now everything you write here, this one. As like this also you can open your here colon will come. So everything will go with indentation, right? But in this case, the difference is no need to close. Automatically it will close. Difference is this one. Irrespective of open statement, you can open your file with operator also. With open, everything you will write as F. Okay. In this case, no need to close the file. Automatically, it will close the file. That is the difference between simple open, means F is equal to open, and with operator or using with operator. So that's why it is referring in the question itself with open file name W new line as F. Then CSCW is equal to CSV dot writer F dot delimiter is equal to comma. Means first of all, what it is writing, writer, it is creating one pen. When we were writing into the CSV file, we were creating one pen, right? So CSVW is equal to CSV dot writer. In bracket, we were passing F, and delimiter is equal to comma. What is the meaning of delimiter is equal to comma? Means values should be separated by comma. If you are writing anything, so first of all you will write one value, then comma you will put, then next value you will write, then again comma, then like this, right? So next, what we are doing, what will come in line 2? Let's see what it is asking. Write a code to write the field once from the field list in line 2. Means heading you are supposed to write in your file. So what will be the statement here, line 2?
Right row or
Yes,
फिर
only right row, because my fields is a title, right? Title is a single row. So CSV underscore W dot right row you will write, and in bracket you will pass your fields. Then let's see in line 3 what it is asking. Line 3, write a code to write all the rows at once from row list in line 3. Now I will write all the record into the file. Then what will be the line 3?
right row
Write rows, and in bracket what will you pass? Rows, right? Here first fill in the blank, CSV will come, because when you are working with the CSV file you need to import CSV module. Then line 2, fill in the blank. This description will be given at the end. So B, write a code to write the field, means column heading. So what will come there? CSVW, no sorry, W dot write row, and in bracket fields will come. Then line 3, fill in the blanks. What will you fill? Write rows, and in bracket what will you pass? ROWS, rows. जी हाँ जी. Exactly, I know. Today is the last day, no? That I will renew. Actually, I'm busy now. Okay, today I will do. Okay, 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 sure. Now we will come to the line 4. Now we are opening our file in read mode with open file name R as F. Yes. So CSV R is equal to what will come here? line 4 is fill in the blank in line 4 to read the data from the CSV file. Then how we are reading data from CSV file? Here what
Reader.
will come? Hanji, what will come?
Reader.
Yes. No, CSV dot reader. Reader function you cannot call directly. You need to call CSV dot reader. Yes. Then just read the question. Answer is equal to y. While answer is equal to y, found is equal to false. Employee ID. Enter employee ID to search for row in CSV R. Now all the records, when you will read CSV dot reader, all the records will go inside CSV underscore R. Yes or no? Then here for every row we will check. For row in CSV R, if length of row not equal to 0, here line 5, what should come? If this is equal to employee ID, can I say here row 0 should come? If row 0 is equal to employee ID, yes or no? I need to display those records where employee ID is equal to something which is entered by the user. Now user has entered employee ID, it will go inside employee ID. Upar, see found is equal to false, after that employee ID is equal to input, enter employee ID to search. For example, here user has entered 101. Right, it means I want to display record of that employee who is having 101 ID. So every row I will check which record is having employee ID is equal to 101. So for row in CSVR, if length of row not equal to 0, means if some rows are there, if what will you compare with this? In your record, row 0 is employee ID, yes or no? Then what should come here? If row 0 is equal to employee ID, what I will do? I will print name and mobile number of that employee. See fifth line. Fill in the blank to match the employee ID entered by the user with the employee ID of record from the file. So our record is first ID, then name, then mobile number. So in if condition, what will come? If row 0 is equal to employee ID, then you will print the name and mobile number. Any doubt in it? Yes, students, please. Am I audible? Deepika, Akshita?
Yes, ma'am.
No, if doubt is there, you ask Anjali.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you understanding what we are discussing here?
Yes, ma'am.
Of course, because today I am discussing the questions directly, you should have some revision of on that day what we have discussed about CSV. Which module we need to import, how we are inserting data into CSV file, how we are taking data from the CSV file, and how we are searching. Yes or no? Hope so you are revising that one before attending the class. Just go through once. Anshu, Prachi,
यस मैम।
आ रहा है समझ?
यस मैम आ रहा है।
और जब जीत आई थी आई थिंक चली गई। और विमला मेहरा के नाम से कौन है? दृष्टि। एक और दीपिका है, दीपिका प्रजापति। तनुजा, ओके। दीपिका प्रजापति। हाँ जी, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है, सो यू कैन राइट मैसेज। दीपिका प्रजापति, योर वॉइस इज नॉट कमिंग। Should you move to the next question or next paper?
यस मैम।
दीपिका, डाउट है कुछ इसमें? So you can see directly 4-mark question is coming from it. Text file 3 marks, CSV 4 or 5 marks. That will depend. C. Preeti of class 12 is writing a program to create a CSV file. Name of the file is emp.csv. She has written the following code to read content of the file and display the employee record whose name begins with S. Also, show number of employees with first letter S out of the total record. So she has written the code already. You just need to see. Now tell me line 1 what will come?
CSV.
CSV. So if this type of question is coming using fill on the blanks, so 1 mark everybody can get, right? Because there you need to write import CSV. Then line 2. In which mode Preeti should open the file to print the data? She's not writing, she's taking data from the file. Now you tell me in which mode Preeti should open the file?
Read.
Read mode, yes. So what will you write in this? With open, in double bracket, first of all you write name of the file, then comma, then read mode you will write comma, new. Oh, new line will not come, only the name of the file and mode. Now line 3, fill in the blank in line 2 to open the file with open. Okay, line 3,
Reader.
line 3, csv dot reader. E question, write the output he will obtain while executing the above program. क्या आउटपुट आएगा? question is doing. All the records you are having in MyReader, right? So for row in MyReader, if row 1 0 dot lower, row 1 means name of the employee, right? After that 0. If name of the employee is Peter, then 0 will be only P. Then it is converting your P into lower. If it is equal to S, then it will print the record. So if you are checking the first record Peter, here row 1 is Peter, 0 is P. If you will convert capital P into small p, is it equal to S? True or false?
False.
Anji, false, no? So it will not print first record. Then come to the second record, Scott. Second record is, if you will convert capital S into small s, condition will be true. So it will print the record. It means it will print 2, Scott 4000. And count S is equal to +1. Means count S will also increase. And count record will also increase. Yes or no? When it will check for the first record, condition is false. So nothing will happen. When it will come to the second record, in case of second record, what will happen? Your record it will print, count S will be 1, count record will be 1. Then in case of Harry, nothing will happen. In case of Michael, nothing will happen. In case of Sam, again S is coming. So it will print the record as well as it will increase count S and count record. So what will be the output finally? Both the record will be printed, and after completing the for loop, number of S name are count S 2, count record 2. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt in it? You can go through this output again. Now I will go to the next paper. Question was 23rd, right? See here, output. Output is also given, no? Answer key. 2 Scott it has printed, 5 Sam it has printed, then number of S names are 2/5. Now we will come to, yes, this question. What line 1 will do? Line 1,
CSV.
CSV. Then F is equal to open user.csv. In which mode? Because we are writing data. So in which mode?
W. Right.
Hanji, W mode. W. Then csv.writer. Then write row. Means username and password you have written. After that you have closed the file. Now you are reading your file. So def read csv file with open user.csv r as new file. So new file reader is equal to csv.line 3. What will come?
Reader.
Reader. For row in new field reader, print row 0 and row 1. Then new file dot. Line 4 is close the file. How to close the file? Line 4.
Close.
Simple, only close. Then E. Write the output he will obtain after executing line 5. When you will execute line 5, then what will be the output? So what is the line 5? Read CSV file. It means I need to call that function. So I will go there. Read CSV file. I will go to that function. So with open, it is opening my file in read mode. Then it is calling reader. Then it is printing each row. So simply what is stored in your file, simply that you will print. So your file is storing username and password. So Arjun123@456, Arunima means username and password it will print. Are you able to do? Write the output he will obtain while executing line 5. You just go to the line 5. Line 5 is calling the function. Which function is called? Read CSV file. So you see def read CSV file, to read data from the CSV file. So how you are reading? What you are printing? Row 0 and row 1. Row 0 is username, row 1 is the password. So what data is written in your file? See, add CSV file. Arjun 123@456. ये लिखा हुआ ना?
Yes, ma'am.
At the top, username and password. Title is also there. Title is also there. No title. Title is not there. When you are calling add CSV file, no, so use this Arjun 123@456. It will go inside username and password. Then that will be written into your file. I think easy to do.
Yes, ma'am.
Then next question paper. Here, how many marks it was? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 marks. So either 4 or 5 marks. Third question. Krishna of class 12 is writing a program to read the details of support the sports. Name of the file is sports.csv. Delimiting with a tab character as a programmer help him to complete the task. So line 1, everybody can tell. Import. Which module we are importing for CSV file? Anjali.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
हाँ जी.
मैम एक बार क्वेश्चन रिपीट कर दो.
मैं क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रही हूँ कि CSV के साथ काम करने के लिए which module we need?
CSV module.
CSV. So line 1, in the fill in the blank, what will you fill?
CSV.
CSV. Line 2. You are
Right.
opening the file. After that, yes, either you will write or read, but you are writing right row. After that, you will see right row is written. It means you are writing. So CSV dot
Right. Writer.
writer. Okay. Now you are writing into your file. So while answer is equal to y, print record 1, input sport name you have taken, number of competition participated you have taken, prizes won you have taken. Now what is line 3? What will come in line 3?
टेस्ट आएगी।
हाँ जी,
पैरेंथेसिस के अंदर स्पोर्ट्स कॉम और प्राइज आ जाएगा।
मेरे को समझ नहीं आया बेटा, कैन यू रिपीट अगेन?
मैम पैरेंथेसिस के अंदर स्पोर्ट्स कॉम और जो प्राइज है ना, ये तीनों जिसके
यस,
अंदर हमने स्टोर
पैरेंथेसिस के अंदर नहीं, मतलब वो जो ब्रैकेट होती है ना एरे वाली, उस ब्रैकेट के अंदर आप स्पोर्ट कोमा कॉम्प कोमा प्राइस ये लिख दोगे, रिकॉर्ड तैयार हो गया। अब उस रिकॉर्ड को मेरे को अपनी फाइल में लिखना है, तो कैसे लिखेंगे? लाइन 4 वही बोल रहा है,
राइटर राइट
राइट रो, रो रो करके लिखेंगे ना, सो राइट रो। नाउ लाइन 5,
एफ डॉट क्लॉज।
very good, f dot close. So see how easily you can get 5 marks in CSV if it is coming at the fill in the blanks. Sometime you will have to write full question also. आएंगे 23rd, statement 1, Anshu, what will you fill in statement 1? Anshu, are you present in the session? Deepika?
CSV
CSV. Then statement 2, in which mode we will open?
W
Yes, either W will come or read will come. So before filling that one, check the next statement. If it is talking about writing, then W, otherwise R. ठीक है, statement 2 also you have done. Statement 3.
close
Statement 3 is for closing. Yes, because my function is ending there. Here also you can read C is filling the blank in statement 3 to close the file. So F dot close. Very good. Then statement 4. Again we are opening the file. No, already open, but we are reading from the file.
reader
Reader. Very good. Then for recording new reader, I think all the question we have done. No. Output. Write the output which will come after executing statement 5. What is statement 5? Show record. It is a function calling. So go to the function. I am here on the function calling def show record. I am reading. So every record it is printing. So what it will print?
India New Delhi
India, New Delhi, China, Beijing. So one more question I will do. Remaining question you will go through, and tomorrow you tell me if any doubt is there, that I will discuss. Though no doubt will come. Line 1, who will tell?
मैम CSV आएगा।
CSV, very good. Line 2,
W
W, very good. Line 3,
open
हाँ, ओपन तो पहले ही कर दिया, उससे ऊपर वाली लाइन देखो, विद का यूज करके ओपन पहले ही कर दिया फाइल को, अब तो क्या कर रहे हैं? रीडिंग, सो
R
रीडर विल कम। I think some question is repeated again. Next one is line 4,
close
close. Then write the output line 5. What you have written in your file? Yes, these all three output will come. Aman, this one, Anish, this one, Raju, this one. So any doubt in CSV? Easy है
No,
CSV?
No, ma'am.
CSV easy नहीं है? दीपिका CSV easy नहीं लगा?
मैम इजी है.
हाँ, तो इसको जितना प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, बिकॉज ये जो क्वेश्चन है फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स की फॉर्म में भी आ सकता है और ये आपके क्वेश्चन पूरा क्वेश्चन लिखने के लिए भी आ सकता है. सो यू शुड बी रेडी फॉर एवरी टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. और भी कुछ पेपर्स में देखूंगी उसमें लिखने वाला है. ये तो फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स वाला, तो फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स तो आप इजीली कर सकते हो. तो इसमें अगर मिस्टेक, वैसे तो मिस्टेक नहीं होनी चाहिए, बट स्टिल 5 में से 4 नंबर तो आपके आ जाएंगे इस क्वेश्चन में. ठीक है, बट अगर आप थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाएंगे, थोड़ा सा दिमाग को शांत रखेंगे, तो 5 आउट ऑफ 5 भी आ जाएगा. तो इसलिए इट्स वेरी इजी टू गेट 100 आउट ऑफ 100 इन CS कंप्यूटर साइंस. ठीक है, 3 नंबर आप टेक्स्ट फाइल से लेके आओगे, 4 या 5 नंबर आप CSV से लेके आओगे, 4 या 5 नंबर आप लोगे बाइनरी से. तो 12 से 15 नंबर का आपका फाइल हैंडलिंग से आता है, जो आपका यूनिट 1 का पार्ट है. ठीक है, और 3 नंबर कंपलसरी आपका आता है स्टैट से, वो भी क्या है, आपकी यूनिट 1 का पार्ट. इसका मतलब 15 + 3 18 नंबर, और जो ऊपर का फंक्शन है वहां से भी 3 या 4 नंबर का आता है. तो 20 से 25 मार्क्स की तो आपकी यूनिट 1 हो गई.